very exciting video. A fun one, for sure. Because everything with me is fun, okay? Okay, kidding aside and jokings and everything aside. Ha! Today we're gonna do pottery. Okay, so I must be honest because I'm a very honest person, okay? I'm not like doing it for the first time. I mean, I did it for the first time. This will be my second attempt. That first one was not that good. That first one was a disaster. I made it too thin and it cracked. I have a clip of that. I will include it in the video. So I will do it for the second time and we will see how that turns out because I have a habit of sucking at everything and I just want to be better at it, okay? I'm just kind of like doing it and I want to be better at it. Oh yes, and I'm going to be using all my hands. I have only two. I'm going to use my hands and what? And like if I really need something other than my hand, I will use household items because I do not have carving tools. I didn't buy them. Let me be good at it first, then I will spend money on it. I have to buy paint too. That's all. We're gonna do pottery. And you all better cheer for me. Cheer for me, not cheer for me. Do not throw a chair at me. I was late, okay. And I should stop. I should stop. Do I look good though? I did this for an hour and it was a disaster. It took me so long and I feel like I'm a very creative person. But then when I try doing creative stuff, it just goes very badly for some reason. I don't know why. Do you like the setting? It's giving a mood, okay? It's giving a mood and I really like it. Okay, I'm very off topic. That's all I needed to say. Bye. I mean not bye. Stay and watch the video. And I will say, I might have an outro. Okay, I might. Okay, for now, just get on the video. touch to the clay video. Pottery, clay, dry clay, whatever you want to tell it. Okay, so I want to say something. This video was a dud. Nothing went to plan, and my biggest mistake was I didn't watch any videos on this topic. I just went in blind, which was a very bad idea. You should not do that, because I didn't even know what slip was. I didn't know how to like do things. I didn't know anything, and I would have not posted this video, but I wanted to just tell you all that in YouTube, I only see people doing stuff and it working out in the end. Anyways, it just works out. But in real life, no, it doesn't happen all the time. Nothing works out, okay? Most of the time, things will not work out. Like this video, it didn't work out. I got some pieces, but one cracked, like this one. This one cracked so badly. I will do a close up because it was too thin. I didn't know you cannot make them too thin. And there was so many stuff that went wrong. Like I feel like everything went wrong in this video. This whole video was a fail, a complete utter fail. But I still wanted to post it. As I said, that in life sometimes things do not work out. But I wanted to post it and I made them, so I was like, let me show them off. But okay, so this was the main event. It didn't come out as I wanted it to come out, but I still don't know what it became. I just painted it. I really like it right now after painting it. But yeah, it was a pain. It hurt me very badly that none of them worked out. So I have decided that the next time I do this video, because I want to do another one because it's a complete fail and I wanted to pass. I don't know. Okay, we will see. But yes, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed playing with clay. It was so much fun, and you can make so much stuff. You can make anything you want. That's like so cool. But yeah, I need some work. So we will try again, and this time we will use tools because tools do help. Apparently, I haven't tried any yet. But yeah, okay, let me show you. I'm gonna use this as a coaster. I didn't paint it because I was like waste of paint because none of them are like, perfect. But yeah, alright. Okay, close up time. Hold on. Oh my god, this video's thumbnail is gonna be up. I'm gonna die. That was the video. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel, please. And I will do a redeemable video. Redeem? Is that the word? You got what I meant, right? That's all that matters. Bye bye.